Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Tinder account using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Tinder account, tap open your Tinder application. From the first interface of Tinder, you'll be able to see a sign in button at the bottom. Tap on sign in and select one of the options from the display. If you signed up with your Apple account, tap on Sign in with Apple in order to log in as well. Similarly, you can also sign in with your Facebook account or with your phone number. Since I've signed up for Tinder using my phone, let me tap on Sign in with phone number. Now, enter your phone number into the text box after selecting your country code from the drop-down. Tap on Continue after you are done entering your information. You'll need to confirm that it is your mobile number by typing in the confirmation code sent to your mobile number. Once you type it in, tap Continue and you'll be logged into your Tinder account right away. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.